Our 737 from Project Dynamo just landed. We've got 16 pallets of goods on board.
Water, food, dried food, beans, rice, tarps, construction material. We hope some generators and just life support, essentially, because there's still basic life support here in some of the communities that are harder hit right in the center of the island on the western side.
We're getting ready to get escorted onto the tarmac, where we're going to help unload this plane and get all the goods into the box truck that we have here. All of this was made possible by our generous donors. If you're interested in supporting flights like this and helping out with future humanitarian efforts, visit projectdynamo.net. So like this is labeled sheets, blankets, and pillowcases.
You have to put it down somewhere because we have to look in.
Do you have a box cutter or knife?
But the cargo manifest just says hurricane relief.
Oh, yeah.
That's
So she
all it
needs,
says.
yeah.
If it's okay, we'll take photos.
How many cases do you ever have?
Well, you only want, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4.
You have to be going around?
Huh?
You have to be going around all around?
He's flying back to Miami.